Well, come on in. Time to meet up by the monkey. Time to get some spaghetti ice, bitter. Welcome to the Europe Series 2023. I'm Eric B. from Travel Adventures with Eric B. If you're new here, I offer travel advice. I am a solo traveler and I do vlogs to help you travel better and more efficiently. Today is a very special day. Today is July 1st. Darren, tell them what's so special about today.
What's special about today? It is July 1st. And Meetup coming up today, right here on July 1st in Heidelberg, Germany. And boom, here we are. It's sort of a story how we got here, but we got here. Doggy son? Well, who was that?
Who's that weird guy? Who's that weird guy? I guess the name of the cab is very fitting that we're taking over to the Meetup in Heidelberg. Joining us on the boat is Angie and her husband Schwinn from Barotic is Around. Make sure you check out her channel as Angie is a true ball of fun and personality.
Hey, how's it going there, guys?
They could already admire their new old bridge.
Le vieux pont devant nous, ainsi
F.
Ich habe sie meiner Gasse.
Guess what?
Guess what?
No, that's good.
Is that champignon?
Yep, champion. Yep.
Schön. Vielen Dank. Wow.
Looks good.
Lots of schnitzel today.
Oh, yes.
Okay.
We don't have
Yes, it was good. Very good. Time to get back on the ship. Food.
Oh, as usual, it's always lekker. Lekker. What is lekker?
yummy.
Yummy. How was yours, Billy? Billy really liked the fries. And Darren, I think he liked everything.
Yes, it was Silwood. All of it.
Even Billy's portion of the schnitzel.
Billy's portion.
We needed a to-go box. Where's the to-go box?
Here.
Is that the to-go box?
This is the go box. And when I get back to the U.S., I got to get back on my diet. I've been good. I've been good here. I have, considering.
Hey, you've still been leaving the bread alone.
4 spaghetti eyes. 4 spaghetti eyes. And no Fantas. I've been drinking my gas. My Vasa gas.
After the cruise was over, we met up with 2 more members of the Facebook group for the Magnificent Germany meetup, and that was Nick and Carmen. We had an amazing time, as you'll see throughout this vlog. It was fantastic meeting up with them. Never mind that weird guy right there that just bumped into me.
Oh, sorry, man. I didn't see that.
Weird guy right over here that just bumped into me. That weird
oh, my
guy.
goodness. So, why should it be?
Accidents everywhere.
It wouldn't turn out in a picture. It really is so beautiful. Think about Heidelberg.
Oh, we know Heidelberg. Tons of history and family history here. My dad popped me in the back of my head here because I made faces. Ooh, I was.
What's better than 1 spaghetti ice, 2 spaghetti ice, 3 spaghetti ice, 4 spaghetti ice? How about 5 spaghetti ice?
Progress.
A lot of spaghetti ice, a lot of good people here.
I did not pass, and none of us did. We did not pass.
That is my spaghetti.
And I am glad.
Are we gonna finish?
Well, folks, this is one game I do not want to play. No, thank you. I'll just eat spaghetti ice. Well, we got on the right train, but there was some construction. Although I paid for it.
I don't like to fall there.
Me neither. All right, I'm coming.
I was wondering, 1555.
I didn't see the relics in there. So.
Wow.
I don't know what's his name.
I think Catholics, isn't there like a...
Oh, what does it say? Heidelberg? Rauschenbach. The axe smile at... I don't know. It says Switzerland, Schweiz. Yeah.
St. Peter.
But no, it's about like...
St. Peter's Kirche. I just want to let you know that it's horrible to be a Florida Gator. Hey folks, who names a bar drugstore? You just shared a good piece of history with me just now.
I did.
That happened on this bridge. So can you tell us about some history that happened
I'll
here?
give a little bit of history right now. I don't remember the dates offhand, but if you Google this bridge right here, the old bridge in Heidelberg, you'll see American soldiers with the American Army was taking over the city of Heidelberg, and the Burgermeister signed it over to the American Army. I don't know all the details offhand without looking at it, but I brought this memory to me. So Google the old bridge to get the whole story.
I'm thinking number 115 looks good for me.
Oh, you know what? You should try. I don't like making food on meat.
It might look with hot chili sauce and bread.
Yeah, there's...
Do they have like barbecue sauce?
Gross.
Did you get Darian? Did you get Darian? No, I think we got each other. You want to use his photo?
Hold on. No, I want to use one
Darren's got a swine haxel.
Swine axle. Eric.
Good stuff.
Yeah, these are kind of like fried on this side. It's really good.
All right, everyone. Good area. Oh, you got swine axle too?
Yep, she did.
It's good. Very good. And that's all, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I ask that you please hit the like. Please hit the subscribe button. Please hit the bell notification so you can know when I have more videos coming out. And I hope that you're enjoying this 2023 Europe series. And as always, remember, live today, grow today, tomorrow's never guaranteed. Peace and travel. Lots and lots of travel. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please hit the like, share, subscribe button. Leave any comments below. I love to interact and help us to continue to grow as a travel community.